Affecting children mostly between the ages of 1 to 5 years, whooping cough is a bacterial infection of the respiratory system. Too much coughing and recurrent vomiting are the primary symptoms of whooping cough. This is usually accompanied by a running nose, nasal congestion, slight fever and dry cough. Care should be taken as whooping cough is a contagious condition. In Ayurveda, there are some simple home remedies to combat this condition. In 250 ml of water, boil 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, also known as methi. Boil till the water level reduces to half. Strain the mixture. Add 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger juice and add a little honey to taste. Mix it well. Drink this when lukewarm. Crush a few garlic cloves. Place it on a strainer. Extract its juice. Drink this in a dose of 5 drops to 1 teaspoon 2 to 3 times daily. The risk of dehydration is quite high for a patient suffering from this condition. Keep the body hydrated by drinking 8 to 10 glasses of water, juices, soups, and eating fruits with high water content every day. Eat well and take care of yourself.
For more such natural home remedies, visit www.homeveda.com.